guys, my name is Anthony. This is Crypto for you to talk about what's good on every altcoin chart. Just say everything's pumping right now. Everything's going up. I'm gonna talk to you about as much coins as I can, what I think they're gonna do, why, just overall chart. So I'm gonna talk to you about just all the altcoins that I know of that I think are good and where they're gonna go. So let's get into the video. Oh, and also before we start, I know I was actually camping. So if you see that, I was gone for like a week because I was camping and I couldn't record videos because I was camping. So sorry if I was gone for a week, but here's my video and I'm going to try to get out for everything that I missed. So when I came back, I see that the first thing that I noticed, by the way, this is Bitcoin. First thing we're going to look at is Bitcoin. You can see that I first saw this bullish pennant. At first I thought it was a bullish pennant. And then broke out. This is where I started. But then it crashed back in, and I'm like, that can't be a bullish trend because this looks like a fake out. So next thing I look, it could be a bullish channel. A bull flag. Yeah, that's what they call them. So I take from the bottom to the top, and if I take it to, if we break out right now, which we kind of look like we do, we're going to go to 13,200. This is Bitcoin again. But 13,200 is a tiny bit short of this channel. If you remember this channel, if you watched my videos like 2 months ago, you can see that we had this channel that we were in for like 2 months. And so we would, if we go inside this channel, we could be bouncing around inside of here for, I don't know, a long time. When I left you guys with this yellow triangle right here. We did break out, and the target of it was actually how we targeted it. If you take this line, and we would actually take it from the point of the breakout, and it came right here. But we went much higher than the target. Almost, let's see, almost doubling it. Yeah, we almost doubled the target. So, since we almost doubled the target, that would be like almost double the price. And now we're in a bullish pennant, and you would track it from here to here. So that would take us to 13,200. And stochastic RSI on the 4-hourly chart confirm it too. Stochastic RSI is super low on Bitcoin, and so I would say Bitcoin is gonna go up to 13,000. I think Bitcoin will go up even higher. Everything's going up right now, guys. If you look at chainlink, if we go on litecoin, we go on litecoin, ethereum, go to cryptocurrency, you can see that almost nothing except cryptocoin.com, but this is 24 hourly. If you look at everything 24 hourly, it's been going up. They're just like some like Ethereum Classic, Zcash, Cosmos. Litecoin went down 6% in today, but everything's been, if you look at the like weekly charts and everything, it's been all going through the roof for everything. See, you can see all this MCO, Ocean Protocol, Energy Web, so Swipe, Quads, Reserve Rise, Ren, Augur. Yeah, but you know that it's gonna be like altcoin season soon, so people think we could be going up right now. All the altcoins could be like being in for a giant altcoin move in altcoin season. That might be what's happening. But then Bitcoin wouldn't be seeing a giant move to the upside because it would be altcoin season. But for now, I think Bitcoin will go up here because we have a giant. But for that, we will need more volume because when we were climbing up here, we had a big volume spike right here, and then we had a red volume spike right here. So we need another green volume spike for us to do this move. So if we do that, I think we will go up. Actually, I am pretty sure Bitcoin will go up. Just saying, all altcoins, I think we're gonna go up, but that's in the long term. We might like have a little correction. Bitcoin, I think we're gonna go up. Stochastic RSI is turning right on top. So next thing now is chainlink. When I left, I told you guys that chainlink would go to $6.20 because of the Fibonacci retracement and everything. So if you take this red line from here to here, you can see that the Fibonacci retracement is 0.618. But so we came down to $6.48. Close, not close enough. But still, we started for a reversal so we could like change everything and stuff. But still, if we look at this chart, remember with this channel, we broke out, we kept holding here, but then we broke out right here. We came back in, tested it, had a test, and now we're climbing up. So if we look at where it started going up and then reversal, and now we're going number 3 move. And wait for wave 3 if you saw it right here. This could be like wave 1, wave 2, and then giant wave 3. See that we could be going like what I said to $11. I said to $10.88, but that was because I was right here, and it's a little bit higher, so that would be a little bit lower than what I said, because I said it would be like reversing and stuff. So I have to change it. So I'm saying $11. We could go up for $11. Then you look at where this would take us. That would take us 20% more. That would be a 20% move to the upside on Chainlink. That's what I think will happen. 20% move. Then we could have like a reversal if we check to the Fibonacci retracement. A reversal from here to here would take us to probably $8.45. That's where we could be going. So after that, we could have like another move to here. Or actually, we could have even one to $8.95, because that's also like 0.5 in between there. I count that as a golden pocket too. So this is what I think. Chainlink bullish too. All altcoins are bullish again, but that's in the long term. And so see the same. Like we could come up to here, we could have a correction, and somebody's like, "Oh, so bearish." No, I'm still bullish on it. I just think we're gonna have a correction. So that's what I think on Chainlink. I think we're gonna go to $11. Next, litecoin. Litecoin, I kind of like predicted where we go. I said we would go to 18. We went to 20, but I looked at the Fibonacci retracement, and I was like, right? I counted it right here, but I'm like, wait, that would be too much. So I started counting it right here, where we actually started going up steadily. And if I counted right there, we tapped it perfectly. So I rewrote the ABC correction wave, and it's on 21 cents, and it tapped it perfectly for the golden pocket. So now I think we're going to go even higher. So we didn't even cross it. The least we could go to is to 38 cents. And since 38 cents is here, where is it right now? 38 cents is 20% gain. So that's the least. I think we're going to go even higher than that. So we should go like 30% at least. But I drew this yellow line. We were holding it as support, and we broke it. That's what the only thing we're supposed to do. So I think we should break out of this support to keep it. That's what I think we should do. So we have a resistance that we're hitting right now. It ends at 32 cents and then 0.7 cents. So it's like a seventh of a cent. So we're right now below it. We can't break above it, but if we break above it, then we're gonna go for all-time high again. So that's what I think for Chainlink. I mean, for Lend. By the way, if you haven't noticed, this was Lend. If you look at the 200-day moving average, just before I look around on a different coin, you can see that ever since we started rising, just say all the way back here, you can see that we were in this bullish trend, and you could call this a bull market. You can see that we were rising, tapped it, rising, kind of didn't tap it right here. We tapped it, perfect 200-day moving average right there, 0.618. So we tapped the 200-day, so we're still strong. We're holding on the 200-day moving average. If we break the 200-day moving average, then I think we're gonna have a little correction, but not too bad. I don't think we're gonna go to a bear market. I think we should go up. That's what I think on Litecoin too. I think it's gonna be bullish. We could have like a reversal to here, but we need more volume. Litecoin, I don't see more volume. I need Chainlink. I need more volume. I don't see enough volume on Chainlink either. When we were here, we had like a little volume. That's the same thing right here, but that would propel us probably to $11. So yeah, we need Bitcoin more volume, Chainlink more volume, Litecoin more volume, and if we go to Litecoin, it also needs more volume because we just got a big volume spike to downside because there was this huge whale. If you look at this, This was a huge whale right here, just sold and then sold a smaller whale, but still, we had this. What is this? How big of a dump is this? This was, if we count all the way to this line, 20% dump. That's a huge dump. And so if we look at what I drew here, you can see that I have this box, and the 0 is like a trend where we're following. You can see that we kept tapping this line of 0.618, tap, tap, we keep tapping it, and we keep then coming down to 0.25. So that's right now good. And you can see that here's a 0.618 timeline, and we practically tapped it perfectly when it should have followed it. So that's right now good when I'm following. So right now, Litecoin is following it too. So if you look at, if this is a 5-move wave, if we look at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see that, let's just get it from here to here, we would come down to 0.618 if it was from here. But I counted from here, and that would take us perfectly, we touched the wick perfectly to the golden pocket, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a 5-wave, then we could touch the golden pocket right here in one swift move, and then we can go up even higher. So, and in the VPVR, we just broke some resistance. We confirmed it. If you zoom in a little, you can see that we have this red candle right here that confirmed it. We covered support. Now I think we have no VPVR to tell us where to go. The only thing we can do is get this upward trending support, is to draw a line here, and that would tell us where to go. So this line tells us that we could ram into it somewhere at $64 if we get a steady move up from like this much. So that would like be 11% move. So I need so that's what we could go. I think we're gonna go even higher than 11%. So right now, I think we're gonna go 11% on Litecoin too. On Ethereum though, this is another thing. I think we're gonna go really high. You can see that Ethereum, what it's forming right now. Could draw a line like that, and then we could draw another line more like just like that. Ethereum, it's forming a neutral triangle, but I think we're going to break out of it. Now we look at the neutral triangle, we take from where it started rising, which is all the way up here, to here. And then we have to take the bottom of the triangle to where we break out, which I think is right here. So if we break out, we're going to 558, which I think will make sense, because I thought Ethereum would go to $400, have some resistance. That was my first target, and if we would have broken out of that, I would say Ethereum would be going up to 500. And also, you could count this neutral triangle as a bullish pennant. That works also. So bullish pennant, we go to 555. So I say Ethereum is really bullish. If we go to 555, that would be, let's see, that would be a 40% gain. 40% gain. Wow. So, yeah, that's what I think of Ethereum. I think we're going to go up 40%. So, if we take this rectangle, so take this rectangle to, let's just say, 500 to 560. That's like a target. Okay, 520 to 560. This is a target price where I think we could go for Ethereum. So that's what I think. But we have so much other coins to talk about. So if I move my face out of the way, you can see we have so much more coins. We have, if you just go to market cap, and see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. I talked about 5 of them, and there's like 100. Well, I know there's like, let's just say, if we look at CoinMarketCap, what it wrote, how much cryptocurrencies right now? 5,999, almost 6,000 coins, and probably 90% of them are going to be gone within the next year. I think we could have like some kind of altcoin bubble going on. You know, when the internet bubble came around, everybody just started making websites. Come on, give me some money on my website. So yeah, and everybody's just like, follow my website, and then at the end of the day, only like big websites were left, like Google, Yahoo, YouTube. They were left. All the other websites that like had no point, they just went away. I think the same thing is going to happen with this. I think we're going to have like right now it's happening. Right, we have 6,000 coins. I think 90% of them are going to be gone. Only like the top, probably maybe like the top 300 would be left coins. And so that's what I think is going to happen. For now, I am super bullish on all these coins. You can see that, well, Bitcoin is already on 209 billion market cap. Ethereum 44 billion market cap. XRP 14 million billion. Actually, they're in billions. I bet 14 billion market cap. 10 billion in market cap. Bitcoin Cash, $5 billion in market cap. Then just goes on. So we're supposed to find like coins that haven't like started pumping that much yet. You can just like look at crypto.com coin. If you look at crypto.com coin, see, did it rise up? Yes, it did. And so we go back and we look for another coin. And we just keep looking until we find some kind of coin because you could get lots of gain. But I think where everything's going to go up in the long term because I think because the dollar is losing money value and more people are coming into Bitcoin to buy Bitcoin. They're all coming in to get Bitcoin and it's getting rare and rare because there's not infinite amount of Bitcoin. So there's getting smaller amount. That's pushing the price higher. So more people come in, there's less Bitcoin to be amount, so it goes up. So the more people come in, the more people come in, the higher Bitcoin will go. I think like a lot of people are right now going in right now. So banks right now opened about Bitcoin. They're like, now we accept Bitcoin. And so everybody's just starting to go in and try to learn about Bitcoin more and more and more. So I think Bitcoin and everything else will go up because everybody's just gonna start soon you're gonna come to a bank and you're gonna be like, Can I can I take some money out of my account and turn it to cash? They're like, Oh sorry, you can't. We only accept Bitcoin now. You can change your money into Bitcoin though, or some kind of crypto, and you can then do everything. So they're gonna have to learn about Bitcoin. They're gonna have to learn about crypto. They're gonna have to do that. So everybody's right now trying to figure it out, and they're gonna have to learn more. They're gonna have to do everything, and they're gonna have to get more. So more people are gonna come into all these they're gonna all come into these bigger cryptos. It's gonna get more scarce, and the price is gonna go up. They're gonna drive the price up. So Bitcoin, Link, Blend, Litecoin, Ethereum, all these, I think we're gonna go up. So Ethereum to 555, Litecoin, I don't know. It's gonna go bullish. I can't really predict Litecoin because we don't see this big pattern right now. I would say at least go up another, let's just say 20%. Link, I think we're gonna go up another 20-30%. Um, Bitcoin, I think we're gonna go up. How much percent is this, by the way? I didn't tell you guys. This is 20% move. We're gonna test this. 13,300. That's where I think we're gonna go on Bitcoin. So all these I'm bullish right now on. And I think we're gonna be making a big wave. And I think Bitcoin at the end of this or next year will already be higher than an all-time high. So that's what I think on Bitcoin and all the other cryptos. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys next video. Bye!